So have to bear with me a little bit. I am a little bit under the weather. It's still recovering, so my voice sounds a little gross. I'm just hoping that I am 100% better by the time we leave for Disney, which is on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. So some of this stuff that we're taking with us that I wanted to share with you in this video is kind of like a few typical things and then a few things that maybe you wouldn't think to bring or that you would think you need to grab while you are down there on your trip. So I'm just going to show you a few of the things that we're bringing. So first of all, this sunscreen, I'm really excited to try this. I love Neutrogena's sunscreen, and this is a spray on, and it says it's 85 SPF, which is pretty strong, and you can see me, I'm super fair skinned. But it says swim, humidity, sweat, which is something we'll definitely need at Disney World because it's gonna be hot. So I'm excited to try this, and mostly because it takes me so long to put sunscreen on, so I need a really good spray. So this is something I'm definitely bringing. I also picked up this Baby Ganix shampoo and body wash, and it appears to be like a foamy one, which I think is cool. And it's just like a travel size one, so I think that is going to be really nice to take with us. And I picked up these, which I've actually had this package in my bag for a little while, but these are the Purell hand wipes, and then the Purell can go on your bag. Obviously these are things that you would think to bring with you, but the wipes are my favorite thing because anytime I get on a plane, I like to wipe down everything around me with one of these. Sounds kind of OCD, but hey, it keeps you from getting sick. It keeps you from getting sick, though I'm already sick, so. This is something I ordered off of Amazon because it was a really good price. Though I can't remember now how much it was, but I will leave a link down below so you can see for yourself. But it is a puddle jumper. I looked around at a few different places like Target and Walmart and stuff like that, and they were all more expensive in the store than they were on Amazon. So I went ahead and got this one, and it had really good reviews, and I just feel like we'll feel better about him being in the pool and stuff when we're back at the hotel and all that kind of stuff. So I think this one's really cute, and like I said, it was a good price, so I'm excited that we've got that. Though it'll be a little bit bulky to pack, but I just know it's one of those things that if we had waited and realized we needed it there, it would have been a lot more expensive. So then I went ahead and grabbed these little Snug Play kids headphones off of Amazon as well. They were a good price too. I think maybe $18. I looked at some in the store for toddlers, and they were a lot more expensive there, so I found these on Amazon, and they just looked really cute, and they have like really cushiony earpieces, so I figured this will be really good for the plane for him to plug into his iPad and listen to his shows and whatever, and hopefully keep him occupied. And then another thing I got for the plane is, well, actually my mother-in-law or my sister-in-law, I'm not sure which one of them found this, but this little play pack grab and go. It's got crayons and stickers. It's got crayons and stickers and like a whole little coloring book in there. So he hasn't seen this yet, and I think he'll be excited about it, and it will occupy him a little bit on the plane. And then this, I am super excited about this because it's going to be really hot while we're in Florida, and this fan is going to come in handy. So this fan actually has rechargeable batteries, and it comes with a cord, and you can plug it in to USB. It has these little foamy pads that you can put in, and you could put like essential oils in here, and when you turn the fan on, it'll blow the essential oils out, so it makes it smell good. And it actually goes like really high. So I'm excited to clamp this on his stroller and have this while we are walking around the park. And there's a spot right here to actually use it as a charging bank for your phone. So we'll have a little portable charger with us while we're walking around the park. I think that's pretty cool. And then we can just charge this in our USB plugs that we bring with our phones. And I like this because it spins all the way around, it flips all the way around, so you have maximum coverage wherever you want to turn it to. I'll turn it on here because it feels really nice. And it's pretty quiet, I feel, for a fan that's kind of powerful. And it even says so on the box. Ultra quiet, strong wind, aromatherapy, long life battery. So, very excited about that. So those are a few things that I felt were kind of different, or that we might not think of until we got to the actual park about what we needed. So let me know if there's anything that you can think of that I haven't thought of that we might need, and you can let me know in the comments. And I will put links to all of these items down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.